Hey everyone, this is Martha. Welcome back. What I wanted to do today is I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Oops kit that is with CottonCuts. One of my, on the recent live that I just did on Monday, one of you had a question about the Oops kit. And if you're not sure what the Oops kit is, let me tell you all about it. So with CottonCuts, the Village Green is the most current puzzle mystery quilt series that's going on right now at the moment. And I chose Poppy this time. In the small. So when I ordered it for the very first time, I ordered the Oops kit. And as of this video, the Oops kits are only $10. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So when it comes in the mail with your first clue, if that's when you order it, it'll look like this. And there's always 6 fabrics. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the fabrics that I need for my Oops kit for Poppy for the Village Green. So I measured them for you, and the Oops kit, when you open it up, they're like 18 by 11. So they're a really nice size. So you've got quite a bit of fabric here, so that if you accidentally make a mistake when you're working on your clues each month, you have a chance to be able to have some extra fabric. So what do you do with the Oops kit? Well, if you don't use it because you never made an Oops, that's quite all right. Then you can just take them, and maybe you might want to do an after quilt on the back of your quilt, or maybe you want to put it in as an additional border around your, there's so many options that you could choose from. Another thing that I was thinking about on the way home from work today that I wanted to share with you, there's enough fabric here, you could make a pillow case. You could use an actual, I don't really know if you'd actually be able to make one large pillowcase that would fit like a queen or a king size pillow, but you could make an envelope pillow. And I actually do have a video that I made last year in 2022 that shows you how to make shows you how to make an envelope pillow, which is really fun. So you could use your Oops kit if you didn't use it for its original intention. You could make all kind of other projects with it, or just put it in your stash for something else. You'll just have it, it'll match your quilt that you're working on. So again, the Oops kits are $10. You can get optional border kit. You can also get thread that matches your quilt for that series that you're doing. So I reached out to CottonCuts because the question is do you have to order your Oops kit on your first go around? So for me, let me share with you what I do and then what CottonCuts said. For me, I order mine month to month. I pay month to month. You can order your puzzle mystery quilt. You can pay for it all at one time, or you can do it monthly, and it's for 10 months. On the 10th month is when you get your finishing kit, which will be truly awesome, and you get to put your quilt together and have a nice cozy quilt when you're done with it. So I order my Oops kit right away. That way, when I get my first clue, I have my Oops kit. I can put it in my container like this, and then I put all my clues once I finish it and put it in here. And this is working also for me for this puzzle mystery quilt that we're doing, that's currently been underway since last year, which is the Piazza. So this works really well. I just use that to put them all in there. I put my Oops kit away, and that way it's there when I need it. So CottonCuts says, thank you so much for reaching out to us about this. We currently have the Oops kit and other kits still available to purchase on our website. She listed the link below for me. She said, at this time, I am unsure on how long the Oops kits will be available for purchase. It can depend on how much fabric we have. So they always try to keep extra bonus items available while people are still joining the current puzzle mystery quilt series. And they just said, thanks so much for reaching out. Thank you for being an amazing content creator, which made me so happy, and being a loyal, awesome, loyal member. And so they said, just let them know if you have any other questions. So can you wait until your first clue comes in? Yes. Could you wait till the second one? Probably the 3rd month in. If you want the Oops kit, I would go ahead and purchase it. Some of the colorways are already endangered, meaning that they don't have enough supply of the fabric to continue to let people order that particular colorway. Some of them just aren't as popular, is basically what it boils down to. And so some of them, they just don't have, you know, the current fabric to keep it going. So anyway, long story short, what I would do, go ahead, if you can, order your Oops kit on your first go around, on your first clue. If not, try to get it on your second and your third one. And again, it really depends on the colorway that you're ordering, if the fabric is endangered or not. If you want the Oops kit, I would go ahead and buy it if you possibly can. So I hope this helps you, and let me know which colorway that you chose for Village Green. And if you're working on Piazza, which one are you working on that? So these are the colors for mine. I love them. They're very patriotic. That's why I chose it. And I think that is it that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really would love it. And if you're new to the channel, hey, let us know that you're here so we can welcome a new friend to our quilting community. And if you've already been here, hey, good to see you again. So until next time, take care. Bye.